Greetings from the lush forest. I am the proud parrot.
And I am the sweet mayna.
I'm the kind pigeon.
Don't worry about it.
It's fine. We know you didn't mean it.
I truly didn't.
I don't know. Sometimes I just feel so lucky to have friends like you all.
I agree. It's wonderful that we can be together always.
I think I know what is wrong.
Oh, me too.
Let's solve it together.
What do you think?
Is it really possible?
Well, I think that anything is possible. Just listen to the birds in the trees.